your favorite Bond character and which movie you like the most?
I love Pierce Brosnan as Bond. To me, he was, I think he's the epitome of class and handsome. And my favorite movie was was Casino Royale.
Okay.
Yeah, so more recent, I guess.
Okay. What were your thoughts about being part of the Big School of Bonding campaign?
It's been it's been a pleasure. I mean, it's something that obviously it's very different for me. It's it was a very different experience. But the team, the directors, and also Sony Pix, everyone on my team, they made it so easy. And I had to actually act a little bit and stuff like that. So, but no, it was a great experience for me, and I enjoyed it a lot.
And I can tell you, our team enjoyed working with you.
But then I understood it, and obviously, everyone loves watching Bond films, and the fact that we were trying to promote, James Bond, and and just the sheer fact that I was, I had that honor of doing it in this part of the world was great for me. So that's how this campaign happened, and I really hope that this does help, Bond, because James Bond is a cult. I think it's not something that happens every day on every other film. James Bond stays and will stay forever. So, so I'm really excited to be part of this campaign.
Of the sports field also, what actually prompted you, besides the factor that it's Sony Pix? There must be something more than just the Sony Pix or the bonding which has attracted you towards this particular project. What is the actual USP which has attracted?
Well, I mean, as you all know me for many years, I love doing different things. I mean, I've not just played tennis, I've loved doing everything, and this opportunity came to me at a time when my season just got over, and it was a very short, shooting period, and I was like, it's a great opportunity for me to do this. But also the main love for it was because of the fact that, I think James Bond, we've grown up James Bond, we all have in different generations, and so I was getting a closer insight into it in certain ways, and also the fact that Sony Pix is Sony is a really big channel, and it's a very respected channel, and it's a privilege to be doing this.
तानिया, आप अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से कितना टाइम एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए देती हैं और कौन सा टीवी चैनल देखना ज़्यादा या किस तरह का देखना पसंद करती हैं?
मेरे पास टाइम काफ़ी होता है जब मैं जब टूर करती हूँ, बिकॉज आई प्रैक्टिस, आई हैव 5-6 hours of work, and then after that I don't do anything else. So I have quite a lot of work, so I try and catch up on a lot of shows and stuff like that, but I try to watch movies. मेरा फेवरेट चैनल तो सोनी पिक्स ही अभी मैं बोलूँगी ना.
2014 जो अभी गुजर रहा है और जाने ही वाला है कुछ दिनों बाद, तो इसमें आपका रिमार्केबल क्या चीज़ें हुई इस साल को जिसे आप याद करना चाहोगे?
ऑब्वियसली टेनिस को लेके मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा साल रहा, चाहे वो US Open हो या गोल्ड मेडल हो या वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप जीतना हो. So it's been a great year for me, and also personally it's been a very good year, but also I've been able to do different things this year. I walked the ramp a few times, and also did something like this which I've never done in my life. So all in all, it's been an extremely exciting year.
You are promoting Bond movies and Sony Pix. So do you find some Bond-like qualities in your hubby?
Well, I hope so. I mean, I married him, so and I like Bond. I think he's very understated, like Bond is. I think that's what is really good about Shoaib, and he's extremely, he's quiet, but he does his work, and he'll just, put his cufflink on and wink and walk away. So.
You once said a statement that you would like Deepika to play yourself if there's a biopic made on you. So if that's the case, which actor you would like to play Shoaib's part?
I mean, I don't think Salman and Deepika have acted, right? Am I wrong? Have they acted? Salman and Deepika? They haven't acted. I'll just say Salman Khan.
जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मुझे जब अप्रोच किया गया मेरा सीज़न तभी ख़त्म हुआ था एंड इसीलिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई थॉट इट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. हाँ पहले जब आई वाज लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड कि जब यू नो व्हेन दिस केम एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह आई डोंट नो यू नो ऑब्वियसली आई हैड सर्टेन एप्रीहेंशंस लेकिन उसके बाद यू नो व्हेन आई थॉट अबाउट इट आई मीन हाउ मच वी ऑल लव जेम्स बॉन्ड एंड हाउ मच वी ऑल एंड हाउ यू नो रिस्पेक्टेबल अ चैनल Sony is. For me it was a no-brainer. So I think it was as simple as that and after that yeah it was a lot of fun. We shot for 3 days, 3 campaigns and it was a lot of fun.
ये आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजेस था एज अ टेनिस प्लेयर?
थोड़ा सा था क्योंकि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी थी थोड़ी सी एंड यू नो देयर वाज थिंग्स लाइक दैट लेकिन और आल्सो इट वाज नॉट जस्ट नॉर्मल इट वाज थोड़ा सा अलग सी एक्टिंग थी डायलॉग्स थे एंड थिंग लेकिन आई थिंक द टीम मैंने जैसे कहा दे मेड इट सो सिंपल एंड दे केप्ट कमिंग अप टू मी एंड सेइंग नो प्रॉब्लम यू नो एंड maybe I was giving more takes than I should have लेकिन no they were really nice and we had a lot of fun.
जॉब आपका आसान नहीं है, बहुत सारी टिप्स देनी है उन लड़कों को जो लड़कियों का दिल जीतना चाहते हैं, तो टफ था, इजी था, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
नहीं easy था in terms of once you understand what you're trying to do I think it was good तो लेकिन it was a lot of fun. I think you know James Bond is such an iconic character that has been around for all of our lives I think so it was pretty simple to understand you know on a closer note how good he is and how classy he is so it was you know it was quite easy.
Sanya, which player on the tour would remind you of James Bond and would it be Federer because you're about to play with him?
Yeah, I think I was actually just going to say Roger. I think he's probably as classy as any man can get. Probably like James Bond. You know, he'll you know win a few Grand Slams come and almost you can just picture him just you know doing that to his cufflink and just walking away like nothing happened. So no, I definitely think classy and understated and yeah, really charming.
और सानिया अगर आप टीचर होते तो किस तरह से टफ टीचर होती अटेंडेंस इज कंपल्सरी?
मैं शायद होती मेरा काफ़ी आई एम क्वाइट disciplinary so to say in my life as well क्योंकि मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी has been very disciplined so I think I would be yeah quite a tough teacher.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.